Content creator is a terrific job title. We frequently witness individuals gaining a sizable following online and earning a sizable income while doing what they like. It's superb work in all sincerity. In spite of this, some people lack self-confidence, making it seem impossible to begin with. If you're considering managing an Instagram account professionally but aren't yet a content creator, follow these steps. Welcome to Snow Creators Lab. I feel for folks who are scared to start their own content creation businesses. We may also use other platforms. Some might feel more comfortable using blogs, whereas others might feel more comfortable using YouTube. And I use Instagram myself. I believe that Instagram is still the most widely used platform. I'll talk about what you need to know if you're still trying to break into the content creation industry today. One of the major issues in becoming a content creator is self-doubt. I can relate to your anxiety. You might be concerned about failing or your friends or relatives knowing about your account. I've also been there. But let's keep this simple. Talk about anything that comes to mind, just anything. Please remember that everyone has a different life, which is what makes your content so intriguing. You don't have to only focus on one area when you first start out. Take in a lot of information, analyze your statistics, and then decide what your audience normally finds enjoyable from you. Also, tell your loved ones what you're trying to achieve and what your account will cover. Obtain their support and get started right away. I notice a lot of people are concerned about their gear. Maybe your camera isn't up to par, or you lack the skills to properly edit your images. Hey, guess what? You can learn. Don't allow it to become a roadblock to your growth. I usually use my phone to snap pictures, so if you have a good tripod, even better. And that's all you need. Now, let's talk about Instagram. I'll say that Instagram still values quality while TikTok favors quantity over quality. You should probably post some appealing content. Making inspiring quotation cards is the first essential step you can do if you don't want to go on camera. I suggest the all-in-one photo editing app, EPIK. It's free, of course. I'll use EPIK today to create the quote cards for Instagram. The Create New option will be available when you first launch EPIK. When you tap it, a ton of stock photographs become available. There are images with a summer theme, a retro theme, a sea theme, and numerous other themes. Click on anything that catches your eye. I'll pick an image from Abstract because it appears more suitable for a background. By changing the part of the bar, you may make the image blurry. Let's add a quote to the text section now. Any energizing or inspiring quotation is acceptable. The phrase, "in the middle of hardship lies opportunity," will be typed. I truly want to tell you guys about it as well. When you push this button, the bar descends and a selection of typefaces displays. Depending on the tone you want to express, you can use whatever typeface you choose. I'll choose this typeface because it's readable and fashionable. Are all the other features visible next to the fonts? If you want the text to stand out more, you can add a stroke or a shadow and change the font's color and style. You can also bend the text if you scroll all the way to the end. Allow me to quickly modify my text. Let's see. How's that? Return to background box and select import to utilize a photo you took. Sample photos will be offset by your photo albums. You can click recents to see the pictures from your gallery. When you tap on the one that you choose, a background will be switched for you right away without any other changes being made. How do you feel? Simple, right? You can go to stickers and search for items that go with your image to add some aesthetic elements. You'll also see a variety of stickers with varied themes, and when you click add, you can find a cute sticker that suits your taste by browsing all the available ones. This will help improve your aesthetic appeal of your work. You may also choose the opacity and blend it with an image by making use of all the available settings. If you think your sticker is too big or whatever, you can even cut off a piece of it. Yes, creating quote cards on Instagram is as simple as ABC. Hopefully it was of use. So, all of the pre-content creators, I understand that it's difficult to begin, but once you do, you will realize that it's not a big deal. Trust me, and of course, trust yourself. You will continue to improve each time you create new content and get more perceptive knowledge if you continue to put forth solid effort. Oh, and I'll be providing a link to EPIK in the description for people who want to try the photo editing tool I use today. Feel free to check it out. Thank you for watching, and for more tips like these, be sure to like and subscribe to Snow Creators Lab.